Hello and welcome to another video. Today is a really foggy morning and we're going to be doing some unboxing for some winter mats for the Civic Type R. Good. Let's go to the back. The new mat's in the trunk. There it is. Let's go. Alright everyone, so these are the TUXMATs for the Honda Civic Hatchback. This is the model without the USB rear ports, because in the Type R there are no USB ports for the back. You may get it for the regular Civic, but not for this one here. This video is not sponsored by TUXMAT, but shout out TUXMAT. If you ever want to sponsor me for any of my future videos or future cars, hit me up. So let's get to it. We're gonna open the box and see what we got. We got the front and the rear mats, so let's take a look. So here's the rear. Now, I saw TUXMATs online. Saw some reviews from some other people, and they have amazing coverage. I used WeatherTech before. I also used a company called Fineway, which is a local Toronto company as well. TUXMAT is actually local to us here in Ontario as well, but they only do shipping. There's no walk-ins. So I picked these up. They shipped them over to my house. It was really quick, maybe took 2 days, but the coverage on these TUXMATs are amazing. So let's do a test fit and we'll see how good it really is. This is the front driver's side. Now the driver's side is pretty awesome because usually the mats, they'll just cut off right here. However, there's this extra flap, if you can see. This covers the carpeted area beside the chair and the seat and the carpet along the door sill. So it's pretty awesome. Very good coverage. And here we have the passenger side. So as you can see, the passenger side is very well done as well. They have the flap for the passenger side too. So pretty cool. Let's do a test fit. Alright, so starting off at the rear, carpets are nice and clean. I'm just gonna throw this mat in. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand, but we'll try. So yes, you can see this part even tucks in under the seat. This is where the seat rail will go. So there's even coverage surrounding the seat rail. Just do that for now, and then we'll go to the other side. It's getting in there. Pretty solid. Covers all the red carpet, which is exactly what I want. This part doesn't really fit that well. Maybe I have to pull it over from the other side. So you can't really see much red carpet anymore, which is kind of what I want. I really want this to be protected. This part doesn't fit very well. If we tuck it under the seat maybe, because the seat can be lifted. So maybe that's the reason why they want this to stay in place. So they leave that there on purpose so you can tuck it underneath the seat. And now it fits really well. So we can go along this whole ridge and tuck it under the seat. That's actually pretty smart now that I push it in. That's really full coverage. And yeah, you can't really see much of the red. Just gonna make sure that this goes down so I can still move the seat okay. Here as well. Wow. Alright. So not bad. It is darker, a lot darker, and we lose the red in the back. But in order to keep it clean all the time and not have to worry about the red carpet, this is a good solution. I had to move the seat up so we can see it a little better. Now, this does surround the rail. There's a little bit of exposure there and there, but that's okay. What I could do is I can pull this back out of this under the seat and slide it forward a bit, and that would be full coverage to the front as opposed to the back. And then this part here does surround the rail, which is great. And then on this side, it is tucked under the seat now, so it actually fits really well. Total coverage. Pretty cool. Forgot the finishing touch in the back. Just to peel this off. Throw it in. Alright, so let's push this in, get it under the seat. And then we have the clips, the OEM clips to the floor. There we go. It has to be turned first. Alright, we'll go ahead and peel this off. Warning labels. And the plastic. Nice. Alright, so moving on to the passenger side. We'll do this install now. This should be much easier. Now the passenger side doesn't have the clips, so it's just a flat piece, just sits in place. There's the coverage to the door sill beside the seat area. You get the full coverage on this side here. It's very good. It goes right up to the plastic, which is awesome. Completely covers the red carpet so we can protect that. So I'm happy. Awesome. Now I found this in the box. It's a little baggy for clips. These clips can be used to hook onto the side walls of the mats to clip onto the OEM plastic along the side of the foot area. So You can either choose to use these or not use them. It's totally up to you. But they do supply it, and there's probably some more security and so that the mat doesn't shift around. But we're just gonna use it as is for now without the clips and see how that goes. If the mats do shift around, then I will install these at a later date. So that's my installation video, unboxing and installation video of the TUXMAT winter floor liners. So again, I chose these because I was a little tired of WeatherTech. WeatherTech does look good when it's brand new, but once it gets dirty, it looks really pretty bad. You do have to put a bit of effort to clean those up. So I want to try these because it has a lot more coverage for the carpet, and I really want to protect the red carpet from getting dirty or damaged. You can even see already on my driver's side, without any mats, the red carpet is already starting to have a little bit of dark spots. So really want to protect these and have this red carpet last for a very long time underneath. It'll be nice when I take the mats out and see full red carpet. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.